Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. I often get asked, why do I do my videos in my Land Rover? My answer normally is, well, why not? Disappointingly, I don't have a chauffeur-driven Rolls Royce like the one parked in the car park. We have Lamborghinis, we have crazy cars come here. Oh, one day. Well, really, I've got nothing to prove. I have nothing to sell you apart from a sense of perspective and realism. At least I'm not sat in my bedroom. The Men's Health Clinic is a private CQC registered medical clinic. We've been inspected by the CQC and more recently the MHRA. We have passed with flying colours. We are both safe, effective, efficient, responsive, all of the positive things you would expect from an actual medical clinic. Not a room in a basement of a dodgy health place or leisure centre. This is an actual clinic specifically designed for you guys. People travel to the clinic from all over the world. Over 30 different countries outside of the UK. Every patient has a face-to-face new patient consultation and is seen yearly in clinic. The rest can be managed remotely. This is non-negotiable. I don't care where you're from. Your excuses, you're just not going to be a patient under my care and supervision if you cannot come to clinic. Why? I must show due diligence and be confident that TRT is in your best interests, and I continue to do a good job. That means for me, at least, perhaps not other people, a face-to-face consultation at least yearly. We regularly review you, your quantitative markers, bloods, and your qualitative symptoms through review. We also give you the opportunity to go onto our in-body 770 scanner. This is a medical grade bioelectrical impedance scanner that gives you a baseline to work from. It measures numerous things like your lean muscle mass, percentage body fat, visceral fat, bone mineral content, your basal metabolic rate. It gives you all sorts of things so that you can go forth and make the necessary improvements, hopefully, to those markers, because we like to see change. Because low testosterone often means that you have a low drive, low determination, low mood. You do not see the effort for your reward. And what we want to do is reverse that. Give you a benchmark, give you goals so that you can move forwards. I said in the last video, you can fall forwards because that's incredibly important. You got to keep going. So, really, I've not much more to tell you, to be fair. I only came out to do a video because there's a Rolls Royce parked in the car park. But yeah, it's incredibly important for you guys to do your own research. Now, what gets said on the internet, which is unregulated, is often false. So when you look at Trustpilot reviews, ask yourselves, how many of them are invited? How many of them are because the company has offered discounts on bloods to sell you on the concept of putting a good review? We don't offer discounts. We don't offer incentives. As I said, I've got nothing to sell you. You pay for my services. You pay for the product. Gold standard care, baby. That's what this is about. We don't need to do Google ads. Most of our recommendation comes from word of mouth. It also comes from putting out education, educational content. So none of our articles, none of our videos say, come to the Men's Health Clinic. We tell you what we do, why we do it, and what we're hoping to achieve. I'm a big fan of Bill Hicks. If you're in marketing, Google Bill Hicks, absolute legend. So testosterone deficiency is a medical condition. Hello, Dex. Hello, Dexter. It is you're distracting me, Dex. It is a medical condition with BSSM guidelines, British Society for Sexual Medicine guidelines, that allow clinicians in the UK to offer safe and effective care in inverted commas. Because in reality, we believe that we have made testosterone replacement therapy even safer. We check more biomarkers, we have more stringent reviews. The therapy that we offer, we believe, mimics as close as, damn it, natural physiology. And all we are trying to do is to aspire to mimic natural physiology. For what? Optimal health and well-being. Understanding the importance of balance and stability, using the foundation hormones, testosterone, estrogen, and DHT, to allow you to achieve what? The reward hormones. Number one, dopamine. Pleasure, baby. We want you to what? Earn your reward.